right, mathematicians, today we're starting a brand new unit on measurement. Can you say that with me? Measurement. And measurement is when you see how long things are, how tall things are, or even how much space is in something. Like, for example, this seltzer can hold some liquid, but my water bottle can hold more. See? We're going to be doing a lot of work around measurement. And we're going to be answering one essential question. The question is, how can objects be described and compared by length, how long something is, by height, how tall something is, by capacity, how much it can hold, or by weight, how heavy something is. For example, my laptop is heavier than my phone. Miss Minion is heavier than Alexia. Today we're going to be focusing on length and height. In order to get started, you need two things. You need your counting cubes and you need a pencil. Ready? All right, we're going to make a little snake out of 4 connecting cubes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Link them together. Do this with me with yours. Until you have a little snake like this. Now, length is the measure of an object from end to end. That measure from here to here is called length, or on the pencil from here to here. That's called length. Can you say length? Let's say that 3 times. Length, length, length. Is this cube train bigger or smaller than the pencil? How can we find out? That's right. We can move our cube train to help us figure it out. If I put it right there, does it really help me? Not as much. If I put it over here, does it help me? No, definitely not. I should line it up end to end. See that? The pencil and the cube train start at exactly the same point. Then I can look at which one's longer. Which one is longer? Which one is bigger? That's right, the pencil is longer. We know because the pencil sticks out further than the cube train. Let's try another one, but this time we're going to look at a picture. Ready?
Length is the measure of an object from end to end. Are these spoons the same length?
Okay, we know length is the measure of an object from end to end. So from that end to that end. That's the length, except it doesn't go up. It goes straight across like that. Are these spoons the same length? No. Which one is longer? The wooden spoon or the metal spoon? You can say the is longer. That's right. The top spoon, the wooden spoon, is longer. How do you know? You can say, I know because. Yeah, look at this space. The end of the wooden spoon sticks out past the end of the metal spoon. Notice that they both start at the same spot. That's really important when you measure.
No, they are not the same length. An object is longer if it has greater length. Which spoon is longer? How do you know? The top spoon is longer. The end sticks out farther than the other spoon. Height is the measure of an object from bottom to top.
Wait, let's think about this. This word is height. Can you say height? Say it with me. Height, height, height. Height is the measure of an object from bottom to top. For example, if you are 4 feet tall, that's your height. That's how much space is between your toes and your head. That's height from bottom to top. Are these spoons the same height? No, they're not.
Are these spoons the same height? No, they are not the same height. An object is taller if it has a greater height.
An object is taller. Can you say taller? Taller means more tall. An object is taller if it has a greater height. Think in your brain, who's taller, you or me? That's right, it's me. I'm taller than all of you because I have a greater height. I am bigger from bottom to top.
Which spoon is taller? How do you know? The left spoon is taller. The end sticks up higher than the right spoon.
See that? We know something's taller if it sticks up higher. If me and you stand next to each other, I stick up higher. I'm taller.
Marta compares the refrigerator and the chair.
If we're looking at the refrigerator and the chair, we're going to look at maybe which one's taller.
Which is taller? How do you know? The refrigerator is taller. The refrigerator sticks up higher than the chair. When an object is not as long or tall as another, you can say it is shorter.
Let's say that word, shorter. That means more short. Who's shorter, me or you? That's right, it's you. You don't stick up as high. You're not as tall. Maybe when you grow up, though, you'll be taller than me. Who knows?
What word would you use to describe the height of the chair compared to the height of the refrigerator?
What can we say? We can say the chair is than the refrigerator. What word? That's right, shorter. The chair is shorter than the refrigerator. The refrigerator is taller than the chair. Awesome job, mathematicians. Think about those words you learned. Let's review them real quick. We learned the word length. Say length. We learned about height. We learned that some things are longer. That means they're bigger in length. Some things are shorter. We also learned that some things are taller. That means they go up into the sky more. And some things are shorter. We use the word shorter for things that are smaller in length and height. But we use the word taller for height and longer for length. That's a little confusing. We'll talk more about it. Here's your homework. Here is your math homework. Esta es la tarea de matemáticas. I am going to give you 2 measurement questions. You will need to look at things in your house and decide which is longer or shorter, or which is taller or shorter. I will tell you the problems in English first and then in Spanish. Make sure you are precise with your language and use the words longer, taller, and shorter to describe what you notice. Te voy a dar 2 preguntas de medición. Tendrá que mirar las cosas en su casa y decidir cuál es más largo, más corto, o cuál es más alto, más corto. Te diré los problemas en inglés primero y luego en español. Asegurarse de ser preciso con su idioma y use las palabras longer, taller y shorter para describir lo que nota. Here is the measurement activity. Number 1, height. Look at your kitchen table and your refrigerator. Which is taller? Which one is shorter? How do you know? Pause while you go do this. Come back when you're ready to do the next one. Are you ready for the next one? This one is about length. Lay down next to your bed. Make sure you line up your feet right at one end of the bed. Which is longer, you or the bed? Which is shorter? How do you know? Pause while you go do this. Come back and press play when you're ready. Here they are in Spanish. Esta es la actividad de medida. Número 1. Altura. Mira la mesa de tu cocina y tu refrigerador. ¿Cuál es más alto? ¿Cuál es más corto? ¿Cómo lo sabes? Pause. ¿Lista para los dos? 2. Longitud. Acuéstate al lado de tu cama. Asegúrate de alinear tus pies justo en un extremo de la cama. ¿Cuál es más largo? ¿Tú o la cama? ¿Cuál es más corto? ¿Cómo lo sabes?